Hello everyone and welcome to Tailored Acres. I'm Taylor and I am a gardener in central Wisconsin, zone 4B. Today's video is going to be about free seed catalogs and which ones you should get on order. If you love gardening and you aren't getting free seed catalogs in the mail yet, you are seriously missing out. These aren't just like ads. So many of them are packed with growing tips, variety comparisons, and inspiration that I love looking through every single winter. So today I'm going to share all of the free ones, so the free seed and plant catalogs that I was sent last year, plus what each company is known for, so you can decide which ones you want to sign up for. So most of these companies let you request a free catalog right on their website, and some also offer digital versions. So I'll walk through them by category and give a quick background on which one each one offers so that you know which ones fit your style of gardening. And I'll also put in the description a list of all of these along with the links if I can find them. So make sure you visit the description too after you see which ones you want to get on your list. First up, we have Burpee, and Burpee is one of the most well-known seed companies in the US. They offer vegetables, flowers, and live plants. You probably have seen their plants at like Home Depot or some of the big box stores. So they have all kinds of things in their magazine here, which is very fun. I apologize for my voice. I have been sick, unfortunately, over Christmas here. So next up, Johnny Select Seed. Johnny is popular with serious home gardeners and small scale growers. They're known for high quality seed, strong germination, and have a very detailed growing information. Their website is something that I visit frequently to look up the culture guides for different plants. They have such a wealth of information in all of their resources. It's really fun because they'll have so many different comparisons to help you choose what varieties that you're going to want to get. They do offer free shipping over $200, which sometimes I get there, usually not. But if you put stuff in your cart when you log in, they usually end up sending you a coupon for shipping or to apply to your order if you just let your cart sit. So that's my hot tip of the day. But I get a ton of stuff from Johnny's, both vegetables and flowers. They have a really good selection. Next up is Baker Creek, which is another one of my favorites. They have gorgeous heirloom and rare varieties from around the world. This catalog is the free catalog. They also have a paid catalog that you can buy from them. Usually Tractor Supply has it as well. That has like their full selection. And so they're just like perfect if you're trying to find unusual or hard to find varieties or just want some like really interesting plants in your garden. So both vegetables and flowers they have. Next up, we have Territorial Seed Company. This one I have not ordered from before. So they offer a variety that perform well in different climates, especially cooler regions. And their catalog does include helpful growing advice and dependable, well-tested varieties. It's more of a standard catalog. They do have some culture guide information in here for different plants though, which is very helpful. So that's a nice one to get. High Mowing Organic Seeds. These guys specialize in certified organic seeds. So their catalog is great if you're worried about organic seed, organic growing, sustainability, soil health, and they really offer a large variety of seeds. See potatoes in there, all kinds of stuff. And then they do have some information as well, culture guide information for growing things, some good comparisons. So this is another great one to have. Next up, we have Harris Seeds, and they have been around for over a century, and they serve both home gardeners and market growers. Their catalog includes vegetables, flowers, and garden supplies. Pine Tree Garden Seeds. These guys are great if you like trying a lot of different varieties without spending a lot. They offer smaller packet sizes and some unique options, making their catalog very approachable. So they do have flowers and herbs and vegetables as well. And they do have growing information as well in here. So it's another great one. So next up we have Seeds and Such. They offer a wide range of classic garden seeds and plants. Their catalog is easy to browse and great if you like having familiar options. Now this one was really fun to look through last year. So Select Seeds focuses mainly on flowers, especially cottage, garden, and heirloom varieties. So this feels like very curated and design focused. And it's just beautiful. Who doesn't love looking at flowers? Botanical Interests. So Botanical Interests is known for their beautifully illustrated seed packets and extremely clear growing instructions, much like Johnny's. So their catalog is beginner friendly, but also still useful for experienced gardeners. And everything is illustrated in here, which is beautiful, but maybe if you don't know what a plant looks like, it might be a little tough for you to envision what you're getting here. All right, this one is my mecca, I guess, for lack of better terms. So GeoSeed is where I buy almost all of my flower seeds from now. So they have 0 pictures in here. So you have to know exactly what you're looking for. It is more geared toward professional growers and cut flower farmers with a strong focus on production quality flower varieties. So they have great information in here. And you actually have to either call or email them your list to order. So very good prices, very good seed. And like I said, I put a huge order in with them yearly now. All right, so now we're on to flowers, bulbs, perennials, and specialty plants. So next up, we have Prairie Moon Nursery. So Prairie Moon specializes in native plants and native seeds, especially for pollinators and restoration projects. So their catalog is educational and great if you're interested in native ecosystems. And it looks like it even tells you like what butterflies like some of these different plants. So here's the KBB lupin, which is great. I need to get some of that. All right, next up is roots and rhizomes. And for some reason I have 2 of these, which is the case with some of these as well, some other ones. So these guys focus on unusual perennials, medicinal plants, and pollinator-friendly selections that you don't always see in big garden centers. Nice specialty lily selection in here too. That's really what caught my eye when I looked through this one. All right, next up we have Swan Island dahlias, and I have 2 of these. This one they send out in the spring, I think, like with what varieties they have left. So if you like dahlias, this is a really good one to get because they have beautiful pictures. So Swan Island is dedicated entirely to dahlias, and their catalog is clearly beautiful and very helpful for learning the different forms, colors, and varieties that they sell here. They don't sell every single variety of dahlias because that would be way too many, but they do sell many of the varieties. I think something to note on here is that they are a large scale farm, so they do mass cuttings of their dahlias, which can lead to disease transfer. So if you order from them, just be cognizant and plant the dahlias separate from your collection so that if they do have gall or something else, that you can cull those varieties easily. All right, next we have Bluestone Perennials, and they do send a couple out throughout the year. So these are all Perennials. So they offer a wide range for landscaping and flower gardens. Their catalog is polished and very helpful for long-term planning. This is one I really look forward to getting because they have all kinds of different perennials in here and do a nice job of explaining each one. And they list like the zone and height and spacing that they need. Okay, next up we have Van Ingling. So these guys specialize in flower bulbs. So like for cut flower gardeners, especially if you're ordering in larger quantities, I think they start at like 100. So this one also doesn't have any pictures. You need to know what you're looking for. Next we have John Sheepers, and this is closely related to the last one, but it is geared more towards home gardeners, so they have photos of what you're ordering, which is very helpful. So they focus on bulbs and specialty plants with nice detailed pictures and explanations. So this is a very nice catalog. I have not ordered from these guys. Maybe I will this coming year. They have a lot of really pretty things in there. All right, now we have color blends, which is one of my favorites to get every year. I've ordered a lot from this company over the years. They have really good prices and a really good variety as well. And then the bulbs that came were very good quality. So Color Blends focuses on high quality flower bulbs and professionally designed color mixes. The catalog is especially helpful if you want coordinated bulb combinations for big visual impact, whether in beds, borders, or for cutting gardens. This one lived in my truck for a while this summer, so it's a little crispy. Next up, we have Brex, which is very well known for bulbs, perennials, and ornamental plants. So their catalog is visual and great for garden inspiration. I would caution ordering from Brex as I have not heard many good things about their reputation. So fun to look at, but caution in ordering from them. All right, we're getting down there now. So this is One Green World, and they specialize in fruit trees, berries, and edible plants. So this is a great resource if you're interested in food forests or perennial food gardening. They have lots of information on the different varieties, although they don't have that many pictures in here. Next up, we have Wood Prairie Family Farm. So they are known for organic seed potatoes and garlic. So their catalog is simple but very informative, especially if you grow your own staple crops. So almost last, we have Jung Seed and Plants. So Jung Seed and Plants has been around since the early 1900s. Ooh, this one is a little crumpled. And offers a huge range of products: vegetable seeds, flowers, herbs, trees, shrubs, vines, garden supplies. So their catalog is a classic all-in-one gardening resource, and it's a great one to have on hand. We also live very close, probably half an hour away from a Jung store in Stevens Point. So I go there all the time, and they have some really great sales, which I'm sure you've seen my other videos on the things that I got on their $25 cart sale, which was crazy, and some of their half off sales as well. So it's a great, great thing to have in our own backyard here. And they send out at least 2 magazines a year. One is spring and then one is summer, fall. So it's great to get on this list. Okay, this is the last one. So this is Proven Winners Gardener's Idea Book. So this one is an inspiration book more than a traditional seed catalog, but it's full of container ideas, color combinations, design inspiration, which really makes it fun to flip through during winter. This is kind of the color combo I had this year for my porch pots. And you'll even see some of the other YouTubers in here, like my favorite Danielle from North Lawn Flower Farm. If you don't follow her, you must. She is absolutely 100% inspiration, and she has so much great knowledge that she shares. So that's it for my seed catalogs that I've gotten over the last year. Again, the description will have the link to sign up for all of these seed catalogs, as many as I can find to add the links to. So if I didn't have something in here that you get, please let me know so I can add it to my collection as well. So I hope that you found this helpful, and I hope it brings you some more happy mail. All right, take care.